Okay, here we are. Levi walked down to the mailbox and he found this lovely card. And not often do you get to see a ceiling fan hanging from a ceiling fan. So Levi's Aunt Tony gave him that card and a couple more balloons here. The gold balloon and the purple balloon. And I am standing on the bed in our spare room / storage area to get a different look at things. Let me see if I can move back just a little bit so we can get more. Oh, don't want to break anything because the bed is also being used as storage. There we go. I like those kind of balloons. They're iridescent. Alrighty. And that's it. Have a great day.